How to start the generator on KapaLua. This is not the first place to go. The first place is out by the generator. Open the generator hatch. And before you start the generator, every time you need to turn this water inlet valve off, open this cap, that is harder than it looks. And you're going to pull out this strainer and make sure that it's clean. This one is pretty clean, got a few little things up there. Take it to the sink, rinse it out, come back, put it in, screw the cap on nice and tight. And then turn the water back on. That filters the water that's going to cool the generator. Depending on what the water level is doing at the time you're here, there may or may not be a lot of stuff in the water, but that needs to be cleaned before the generator is used. A couple other things on the generator. If by chance the generator is on, but you're not generating power, check this breaker right here. Up is in the on position, down is off. It says off. You need it in on. On means it's generating power as it's running. Now there's also a button to start the generator over here. The same that's in the panel in the house boat. So we'll just walk inside and start it. So to start it, it's as easy as pushing and holding this start button until that green light comes on. Then you'll hear it fire up. After you've got it turned on, then you can flip these breakers on if they're off. And then you're running and generating power. Another reminder about the generator, only two 220 appliances can be used at a time. So most of the time people are going to want the air conditioner and you're always going to want the inverter on. But you cannot run the AC and the dryer and the range all at the same time. So you got to pick and choose. Only two 220 outlets at a time. These things right in this center section. And then to turn the generator off, simply one push on the stop side by the green light and just hold it until you hear the generator die. And that's it.